Before removing an oil filter, first refer to the service manual for the vehicle and identify the type of filter required. Make sure that a suitable filter will be available as a replacement. The filter will usually be located on the side of the engine block or at an angle underneath the engine. Some filters have a retaining nut which will require a box wrench to remove it. But most late model vehicles have filters which are threaded cartridges. These are removed with an adjustable filter wrench. Remove the filter and clean the seating area on the engine so that its surface and the surface of the new filter can seal properly. Make sure that the seal from the removed filter is not still stuck to the engine. Confirm the correct part number and obtain the replacement filter from your spare parts supply. It is good practice to fit a new filter every time you drain the sump. Smear a little oil or grease on the surface of the new sealing ring. This will help to make a tight seal, but it will also prevent the gasket from binding and distorting while it is being tightened. Screw in the filter until the two surfaces are touching. To help judge the correct degree of the turn, make a mark on the outside of the filter with a pencil or even a dab of oil. But remember to wipe the oil off again when you have finished. Do not over-tighten the filter. Typically, 3/4 of a full turn is adequate torque for a seal that will not leak.
Hello. Everyone has a business website these days, but few have a business YouTube video that can be embedded into your website. YouTube business videos are the most powerful marketing tools today, yet the most underused. Starting at just $200, MLS Pro Videos can produce your YouTube videos starting at just $200. We can use your photos or use stock video footage or come to your place of business and shoot your video in high-def widescreen, including voiceover, music, and much more. Please visit our website and see some videos that we've done at www.mlsprovideos.com or call me at 541-531-3691. Thanks for watching. I am Bill Kiefer. Until next time.
Thank you very much for watching. My name is Bill Kiefer. We are MLSProVideos.com. We do YouTube videos for individuals, events, and business. Again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.